Okay, welcome back to BSN channel. We're doing another Asante Twi lesson, and today we'll be going on about, we'll give a scenario, and the scenario we've chosen to do is say someone's sister-in-law is visiting his wife. Does that make sense? No, someone's sister.
Husband, family.
Okay, let's say someone's wife and his sister is visiting. So his sister visits his wife whilst he's away at work. So the sister will come to the house, knock on the door, and the wife will bring her to the house, and they will have a conversation. And that's what the scenario is. And my mum, who's behind the camera, she will translate that, because this is what happens a lot in Ghana. You know, usually they bring food or
Ghanaian culture, yeah.
Yeah, it's very family orientated. So we'll begin with knock knock.
I go.
Who's there?
Wanya.
Oh, it's me, your sister-in-law.
Mio. What's it?
Oh, Ajua, I'm coming.
Adwa me bo.
Hello, how are you, Akosia?
Hey, I was here to say.
Oh, I'm fine.
Pa.
Also, how are you?
Now on what to say.
Oh, life could be better, but in God's grace, I'm fine.
And you're bad. Pa. Nyaminti.
And how do you say by God's grace?
Nyaminti, because of God. Nyaminti. Pa.
Okay, that's quite a nice one to say. Do you want to come in?
Pardon?
Do you want to come in?
Oh, Bemu. Of course. He wants to come in.
Of course.
Would you come in? You're inviting the person in.
Okay.
Bremu.
But I had a plan for it.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll start again. Would you like to come in? Of course. I didn't come here for nothing.
Me baza me ba. Mama said, you know, me bejina abontene. Me baza me ba.
So she said, I brought some cocoa yam for you.
Oh, me di man can bro.
Oh, thank you.
Me does say. Hey.
So, how is your first son, Kwame?
Hey, uba penny no what to say, Kwame.
Oh, he wasn't too well.
Oh, none of one yet. Cry.
Oh, I've heard that he wasn't too well. How is he?
Me tis none of one yet. Na no what to say.
He's been having this ulcer recently.
Oh, Nansay onya yem yade bi say. Ye fun yade.
The doctor said he shouldn't be eating too much pepper.
Doctor Simo ni moko dodo.
Oh, I keep telling you, you put too much pepper in your soup.
Yeah, Ekuma in-law. It's not true. We dimoko dodo. That's what she's saying. We dimoko dodo. Too much pepper.
I know, but your brother likes it a lot.
Minim unyabe mape opemoko.
I know, but remember, you are the one who's cooking.
Unim say onso na ya na wo no.
So whatever you prepare, he must eat.
Na the obe no bi anso no so odi.
Plus, I've tasted your soup before.
And I feel so maka won kwa anso ahwe.
It tastes fine without the pepper.
Ye. Moko kura nim kura de.
think you're right. I will try that from now on.
Say no kra na woka. Say me bomodene.
And how is your second son set?
Na obaba akono do otoso mienu set. Na ho te say.
Oh, he's in a boarding school right now.
Oh, say there or school boarding school one mefie ho no ote.
But he keeps telling me he's homesick.
So wa fifie de bia opese oba wa fifie.
I think his problem is he's too lazy.
Say na yi say wonu angaza oye kwadro.
Because he has to cook for himself.
Also wonu an aduane.
He has to clean his own clothes.
Wonu ahohoro ne ntare.
He has to sweep the floor.
Also prapra.
And he said he's sick and tired of it.
Also abre adoyono.
And then the auntie would say, it serves him right.
Oh, es sanuara.
You reap what you sow.
Oh, so we are say nia ufise wo ye ho. Nia be ye bia ejina ho ma.
Because if he doesn't learn now, he will never know.
So when she say a da.
Hopefully, when he comes back, he will be more helpful.
Yes, said ye a city no. Nim say that she be all ba obehu said ye. Aduyo
He needs to act more like his older brother.
Or say with me. Ehwe no ho so te say wonu a onua pene no.
And last but not least, how's my brother?
Na ya kan me nua be man so
He's same typical. He's fine.
Oboho. What ho? Oyo no ho ye.
He said the work has been very hard. How is he with work?
No, I say adwuma. Adwuma na edne. And so no, yeah, adwuma mu na de bia o kan o say adwuma na edne.
He said the work is still hard.
O say adwuma na edne pa.
When he comes home, he just eats and then sleep.
Nti oba fie a odidi ya na wada.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but he's even too tired to lay with me.
Say yentimi nwiwe kura biom. Nwiwe nim because wa be fie wa bre.
The only time we have time together is Sunday.
Ebra yenya yemienu timi nya de gi ani kakra eye kwesiada.
Then she would change the subject. She would say, "Oh, do you still go to the same church?"
Oh, na wo da so kosa sorry no a.
No, we go to a different one now.
Oh, she said ye jai ye ko asori foforo.
Why?
Ne ba ne say.
Oh, that pastor, he's a wizard.
Oh, osofo no. Onye papa.
He pretends to pray to God, but really, his spirits.
Why no ho so osofo onye osofo papa o. Bibi di akire. Onhom bi di na chi.
So, is he cheating his people?
Yes, osisi nkrofo.
He's cheating everybody.
Osisi obia.
That's why I don't go there no more.
Nenti na me nkoho biom no.
He never talks about the Bible.
Won ka Bible mu asam kurada.
He only shows miracles and miracles.
The all can is na say esi to say na dwuma wo nyina kwa esa magic.
I think you done a good thing there.
And say we free home.
Because I wouldn't stay in that church.
The crament now. Me anka mentana ho.
I'm always suspicious when I don't hear enough preaching.
Tambia na em nwa obi a on cancer mpadodo no.
But if only I knew before.
Senka na minnim mfiti ase no a.
I wouldn't have donated so much money.
Kame mfa me ka kra ma asori no.
My husband is fuming.
Me kunu. Said ne buasi efu no.
I don't blame him.
Enya me nwanwa.
He has to work hard for that money.
Brawo bre.
And then gives his money to a cheater.
Na wodi ni sika akwa wo sofo bia ono wonye sofo pa.
I'm surprised you didn't grab him and beat him.
Nwanwa kra so wa nkonko buru osofo no.
Oh, please calm down. It's not serious.
No, mesro to boase susu eka na enye ade den bia.
Yeah, you're right. He's not worth it.
Faso bia ni no so.
Anyway, my in-law, I'll keep going now. I'll make my way now.
Now any amebeko.
Oh, when you wait for your brother to come.
Now won't try my unia be mama.
No, just send him my regards.
There be with the chiane mami.
I'll see him 2 weeks later.
Be hunu be na watch me no pencil.
At our mother's house.
Ewo mami fee.
Okay. God bless to you and the children.
Ya me nshira woni nkola no.
And remember, not too much pepper.
To boase said me kan moko no to boase moko.
Okay. Follow me to the door now.
Na eja me kwaye.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Na yankoi.
Okay. Take care now. Bye.
And nanti you.
And that's the end. There was a little bit of mistakes on my behalf. I'm sorry about that.
And Oko. Is there any other question? We've got a few minutes to put on.
Let me think. In Ghana, would you tell someone to take off their shoes before you enter the house?
Respectively, they will take it automatically.
But if you wanted to tell someone who say they're not really clever, what would you say? Please take off your shoes?
Yeah, you say straight away to them before they even enter. Before you come.
So say that slowly, please.
Epacho munyi mumpaboa engu animu ho. Munyi mumpaboa engu bontene.
So leave it outside.
Yeah. Ansana maba.
So so for those who don't know, a bontene means outside.
Yeah, a bontene is outside.
Okay, let me try and think of example questions. Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to eat?
Ubedi bibi.
Do you feel cold?
Awado.
Is this room hot?
Edaimu yeshiana.
Come with me to the kitchen.
Bra, yanko ejale.
The toilet is down there.
Tiafinu wo encheho.
Where are the children?
Nankwala no way.
They're playing in their room.
Omudi agro omu dem.
Where is your dog?
Na krama no way.
I'm scared of your dog.
Me so krama no.
I love your dog.
Me pe krama na sem.
I don't trust your dog.
But menjinini.
Do you have cats?
Now okra.
I smell something cooking.
Ti aduane pampan.
Am I allowed to have some?
Enka met me edibi. Menya bi edi. Menya ebi edi.
You don't have to ask.
In here say obebusa.
You are invited.
Akwada ho say obetime edibi.
Trying to think of some more. I'm trying to think of some more quickly. You have a nice house.
Oh, ofie ye pa o. Ofie fe.
Your house is very big.
Ofie nso eso kakraka.
Oh, your room is so small.
Wo dan mu ye ketwa.
How do you all fit in this one room?
Eye de na mu nyina mo kọ esa edai mu.
We have to get by.
I was say ye na, you know, e biara.
I'm hungry.
I come de me.
Ajua, go get auntie something to eat.
Ajua kona kope aduane bre auntie na oni.
I have to go now.
I was a me ko.
Do you want to stay the night?
Wo be say wo da anwumre ya na.
Yeah, I think we said enough there. Yeah. So if you liked the video, please like. If you didn't, you're free to dislike. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Peace.